wasn't going to be in the video, but the trail says to go forward at this point, and I'm seeing a little bit of an off trail this way. There's actually a little walkway. I'm going to give it a check. Let's see what's down here. I noticed a little bit off trail, so did spray myself with tick spray. Let's give it a check. Wow, look at all those things. What are those? Crabs. Alright, so this is actually a bit confusing at this point, because coming down the trail, and there's markers that say to go that way, then there's markers down there that say to go right as well. So it's like, do I follow this trail or do I follow that trail? I don't know. So we're gonna have to take out all trails. Hopefully this is correct, which, by the way, looking at it, is not. It's not correct because it's telling me I'm off trail. So that means I should have gone straight over there, but there's no trail. So it's a little confusing. A couple mosquitoes. So I'm going to go straight and then make that right instead of taking this one based off of the all trails. So this is what I'm actually talking about right here. So this is a marker to make a right. But then down here, we actually have another marker to go right here. So it's like, which trail are you supposed to take? So I'm going to take this trail here, which actually just brings us to the same spot. Okay, guess that works. Yep, same spot. Okay, so the west loop, definitely tree fell. It's right there. Blocked the entrance, I guess. Instead of getting rid of all of that, they just went next to this person's driveway, which you can see like the walkway. But yeah, they cleared all this out instead. It's just always weird walking past somebody's driveway. So yeah, we're gonna go this way instead. There it is. Alright, not even like 10 seconds in, we got ourselves wild turkeys. I really don't want to get attacked, but look at these guys. Here, look. There's a ton of them. Just chilling. I don't think they like me. Alright, so now that I'm past the turkeys, we're going to keep going with the west trail. I don't know if I like this one as much. I already see a house, but it veers off, apparently. So, it's very well maintained. Let's keep going. Alright, so I'm at the fork in the trail, so I don't know if I should go left or if I should go right. So I actually found the tree that fell, and it's actually got the trail markers there, and now, so because you see two of them, I'm going to assume that they're both facing the same way. Now I also double checked on the All Trails map, and I confirmed that this is actually where the loop starts. So this is trail in, and then there's a loop to go around. So it's always good to check your map. So we're going to make a right, and then we're going to loop around. Alright, so if you made it this far, I definitely appreciate you staying, keeping along here. If you liked the video, definitely subscribe, hit the like button. I definitely appreciate it. Out of the two sides of the park, or the walk, I guess you would say, I definitely enjoyed the west one better. A little bit a little bit overgrown for my taste, because of like all the seagrass and stuff like that. Otherwise, I think it was a little bit of a nicer walk, better views, a little bit more wooded, whereas the the east hike, or the east trail, was a little bit more, marshy, I guess you would say. But either way, you couldn't go wrong with either side. It takes about half an hour each, I guess you would say. A little bit longer for the west side. It's a little bit longer of a trail, it seemed like. But yeah, you couldn't go wrong with either one, or just doing both of them like I did. Definitely worth it. So again, if you like the video, I definitely appreciate it. If you subscribe, that's awesome as well. So catch you on the next trail. Thanks.